In Harry Potter, Lord Voldemort and the other Slytherin wizards often use a spell called Avada Kedavra. It basically snatches the life out of you. It is one of the three unforgivable curses, the other two being Crucio and Imperio. Avada Kedavra appears to be like a green flame or something like that. It looks pretty good actually. The point is that you can get a similar effect with boric acid. Boric acid itself has a lot of applications. Between them are as an insecticide for roaches and termites, an antiseptical, and even as a pH buffer. But in the context of organic chemistry, boric acid has its main utility as a borate ester precursor, such as trimethyl borate or triisopropyl borate. Then, these borate esters are often reacted with Grignard reagents to form boronic acids upon hydrolysis, and these boronic acids are useful to the Suzuki coupling. After all that being said, let's get started. I got allegedly 30 grams of boric acid for $1.50. For this experiment, you will only need boric acid and distilled water. I started by adding the content of the bag in a beaker. I felt kind of scammed when there was only 17 grams. But anyway, I added 65 milliliters of water, which is in theory enough to crystallize the 17 grams of boric acid present. The solid seemed to solubilize very easily, but this is not normal because boric acid isn't that soluble in water at normal temperatures. Anyway, I heat up the solution and all seemed to dissolve. As you can see, the pH is quite acidic, between 5 and 4. After a while heating, I got a crystal clear solution. I let evaporate approximately 10 milliliters and took off the beaker from the hot plate. I let the solution cool back to room temperature and I really never got crystals. So what I did is basically place the solution in a freezer for several hours, and after that time I got these nice looking crystals. Then I vacuum filter the crystals and rinse the beaker with 5 more milliliters of distilled water. Next, I place the crystals in a wash glass in order to get them dry. I turn on the heat and move the crystals for several minutes to do so. Do you remember that the bag said it contained 30 grams of boric acid? Well, I ended with miserable 6.73 grams of boric acid. I don't have any way but this to prove that I indeed got boric acid. I took a small quantity of boric acid and dissolved it in methanol. And after lighting it up, Avada Kedavra. As you can see, the effect is really cool. You can do jokes or costumes with this. The green flame of boric acid really fits Avada Kedavra. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe. I'm uploading new videos soon. See you in the next video.